What is up, Shift fam? Welcome back to Shift 100, the one and only spot where we plug you directly into the future of automotive hype. And today, oh man, have we got some serious voltage for you. We're talking about the brand new, face-meltingly gorgeous 2026 Porsche Panamera. Forget everything you thought you knew about four-door sedans because Porsche just tore up the rulebook and rewrote it in high-octane ink. This isn't just a car, it's a statement piece, a rolling sculpture of pure, unadulterated performance. Porsche is out here playing chess while everyone else is playing checkers, and the Panamera is their checkmate move. The first thing that hits you is the design. It's leaner, meaner, and just screams aggression. Those slim LED headlights look like a Predator's eyes, and that full-width light bar at the back, absolute fire. It's got this low, wide stance that makes it look like it's glued to the road even when it's standing still. They've sculpted every line, every curve to be both beautiful and brutally efficient. But let's be real, you don't come to Shift 100 for just pretty faces. You're here for the guts, the glory, the numbers that make your heart skip a beat. And Porsche delivered. The base model kicks off with a turbocharged V6 pumping out a respectable 348 horsepower. Cute, right? But then things get wild. Step up to the E-hybrid models and you're looking at a V6 paired with an electric motor boosting you to 463 or even 536 horsepower. That's instant torque, silent city cruising, and explosive highway power all in one package. For the absolute purists, the one who live for that V8 rumble, the GTS is back with the twin-turbo 4.0-liter V8 now making a staggering 493 horsepower. It's a four-door supercar, period. We're talking 0 to 60 times that will rearrange your internal organs, all while you're sitting in a cabin that's more luxurious than a 5-star hotel suite. Inside, it's a tech paradise. A massive 10.9-inch screen is your command center, faster and smarter than ever before. We're talking premium leather, carbon fiber accents, and a digital cockpit that makes you feel like you're piloting a spaceship. The level of detail is insane. This isn't just a car you drive, it's a car you experience. Speaking of experience, Porsche has introduced this mind-bending new suspension system called Porsche Active Ride. It basically uses an advanced hydraulic system to eliminate body roll. Imagine taking a sharp corner at speed and the car just stays completely flat. No dive under braking, no squat under acceleration. It's witchcraft. It's the kind of tech that doesn't just change the game, it creates a whole new one. You know, making content like this and diving deep into automotive innovation is what we live for. So if you're enjoying this breakdown, do us a solid and smash that like button. It seriously helps us bring you more of the content you love. The 2026 Panamera is more than an evolution. It's a revolution on four wheels. It's a luxury limousine that can hunt down sports cars on a track day. It's a high-tech hybrid that doesn't forget the thrill of a roaring V8. Porsche has crafted a machine that refuses to compromise, offering the best of all worlds in one stunning package. It's a testament to German engineering at its absolute finest, proving that you can have a practical family car that also happens to be a weekend weapon. This is the future, and it's looking ridiculously fast. This is the kind of groundbreaking content we're committed to bringing you every single week. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and be the first to know about the most insane rides hitting the streets, you absolutely need to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Join the Shift 100 family where we don't just follow the future, we drive it.